अंघोळ केली तर मूड येतो ना, दिवस तेव्हा चांगला होतो ना, काहीतरी चांगलं होतं. म्हणजे
Hello. Sir, I'm not able to hear you properly. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Deepa, are you able to hear him properly?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
No. Is sir presenting?
One second, I'll see the participant. How many participants are there?
Yeah, he's
3
there. He's
participants are
there. He's there, but he's not presenting, right? Or he
त्यांना steps
No, no.
Okay.
Just now, sir joined.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Hello. Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
we were at the sequence. Okay. The flow may, what we have said that we will do registers, forms, signage designs, SOPs. This we have discussed. Meanwhile, parallelly there is something going on because day one जब gap analysis हम करते हैं, right?
Yeah.
So,
So screen sharing.
Sorry. Why I forget screen sharing? I don't know. I started recording this time.
Yes, sir. It started.
Yeah. So this was the sequence we were discussing. We are, our visits are planned. We will release registers and forms, signages, designs to the doctor, SOPs and manuals. You will find out the issues and we'll edit it here and we'll send the either printed version or to print version. Printed version होगा तो उसका rates लगेगा. To print version है तो वो soft copy भेज देंगे. Okay. And training SOPs, manuals शुरू हो जाएगा. Then critical trainings NABH के शुरू हो जाएंगे. Then you have desktop application ready. When we are doing this, on the back end, hospital is also doing something, right? We have done gap analysis, right?
Okay.
We have done gap analysis. In gap analysis, we have already told them signages, designs. We have told them licenses related gaps. And we have told them what are the minor infrastructural changes which may be required. Minor infrastructural changes happens usually in OT. Cleanliness नहीं होता है, एकदम गंदा होता है हॉस्पिटल. कलर वगैरह रिनोवेशन नहीं होता है, कलर एकदम 10 साल पुराना कलर होता है. ऊपर से वॉल में पूरा फंगस ब्लैक में दिखाई देता है. इट इज ऑल फिल्दी, राइट? उनको हमने बताया होता है उसी दिन, फर्स्ट डे. मेडिकल रिकॉर्ड रूम इज नॉट अवेलेबल समटाइम. कहीं पे भी कोई भी मेडिकल रिकॉर्ड पड़ा हुआ है. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर्स ठीक से नहीं होते. एंड बायोमेडिकल सेग्रीगेशन एरिया. बायोमेडिकल सेग्रीगेशन एरिया का मतलब है हॉस्पिटल इज 2 फ्लोर और 3 फ्लोर हॉस्पिटल, तो हर फ्लोर से every morning biomedical waste will come outside from where it can be picked up by the biomedical waste authority. So वो segregation areas, you can't keep all these yellow and red bags on the road. You need some cage of 3 different doors. One is for red, one is for yellow, and one is for black and others. Okay. So that segregation area is not developed. जैसे we do it for dog ना, cage बड़ा square वाला तार होता है, उसमें cage बनाते हैं, है ना? So that cage can be done in 10,000 rupees or something, right? So वो नहीं होता है. And OT में especially floor should have epoxy and walls should have polyurethane means PU, polyurethane coating. Then changes means from where doctor is entering, where he is getting change, from where nurse is entering, from where patient is entering. Most of the hospitals have common entry, which ideally is not acceptable in main NABH, but for entry level they accept this. That's not a problem. Then आपका होता है CSSD. CSSD means आपका central sterilization या autoclave. Autoclave usually change room में होता है, या फिर it is at wrong side. तो वो हमें बताना पड़ता है कि इसका लोकेशन बदलोने को थोड़ा मॉडिफिकेशन करना पड़ेगा. ओके, एंड क्लीन कॉरिडोर में डर्टी का एंट्री नहीं होना चाहिए. देयर इज अ क्लीन कॉरिडोर कंसेप्ट एंड डर्टी यूटिलिटी कंसेप्ट. ये अब आप कहोगे कि सर ये तो अभी कैसे हम हाउ विल फाइंड इट आउट, राइट? तो योर दीपा, यू आर देयर, राइट?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So initial 3 to 4 gap analysis, I will be helping you through virtual audit. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So you have to same Zoom we can use, or Zoom kind of application you can use, or video sharing on WhatsApp we can use. Okay. फिर आपको मोबाइल उल्टा करना है, या फिर कैमरा का चेंज आप कर सकते हो कि फ्रंट कैमरा या बैक कैमरा. And then you have to start from the entry of the hospital. Whatever I ask, you should focus that.
Okay.
And then somebody along with you can mention the gap which I am sharing, so that you will get experience how to see it. After 3 to 5 such virtual audits, you will get experience कि होता क्या है ये. Okay. Yeah. So there is no point in going detail OT structure and all other things. That will complicate your concepts. Understand? Yes, but slowly you can always read it out on Google. Even we have a presentation, OT structure, that I can share on our app. वहां से आप पढ़ सकते हो कि कॉरिडोर कैसे होने चाहिए. But you will never find such a nicely planned OT anywhere in India. Common hospitals you will find only in big hospitals like Jupiter, Apollo. These hospitals have the architect planning done by the person who is versed with all the hospital compliance as far as construction of the hospital is concerned.
Planning and designing.
Yeah. So you will not find that. But the moment you will go through virtual audits 3 to 4, you will get some idea where you can manage after that. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. So this is back-end happening. We are doing quality management system establishment. Back-end hospital will be doing these changes, and our job is to follow up whether these recommended changes are happening on time. If not, then as I told you, whenever you will meet the doctor in the evening, you have to write this on the right side of the page. We have already told you epoxy and PU coating on this date. The approximate timeline was this, but it is getting crossed. So that's how the flow will be happening. Now, the moment you see, okay, things are moving, everything is good, 3 to 4 months, you are okay. But things are moving, matlab chal raha hai kaam. But overall, it is okay. 70-80% काम हो गया है. So that is the right time to register. That is the right time to start creating the hospital's email ID, phone number, and register. And then you will get 20 days to upload the data. Now, what that data is, we'll go through this. Okay. So this file is been made from screenshots of the online desktop audit. Understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is same to same. You will find same sequence, same things on online application.
Okay.
But it is made so simple that you start filling up the information from day one to start working. some things or most of the things does not require anything. You just have to fill this up and get it approved from the doctor. For example, name of the hospital. Anybody has to do anything with this?
No.
Nothing. But that has to be approved by the doctor, because sometime spelling change in the name and all becomes very difficult for NABH to change from their records. So it has to be well vetted, properly mentioned, proper. So it has to be, you know, spelling idhar udhar nahi hona chahiye, private hai, LLP hai, whatever it is. Okay, hospital name and research center, because people are most of the time किसी hospital का नाम Ganesha multi speciality hospital है, लेकिन that hospital is registered under Nursing Home Act, right? So under Nursing Home Act, they have mentioned it Ganesha multi speciality hospital and research center. So we have to ensure that name has to match with your Nursing Home Act registration. Understand? So then they are asking, see, upload registration certificate. Okay. We have to mention here available. Okay.
So we have to mention it is nursing home.
हाँ, registration certificate पे जो भी नाम है वही नाम यहाँ पे लिखना हो.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
you parallelly you should start filling up this data so that at the end you will know that everything is filled up now. So you will automatically know this is the right time to apply.
Okay, sir.
And anytime if doctor asks what is the status, you can show this file to them. Sir, these all things are done. This is pending. This is not from our side. This is from your side. Understand? So here, so for example, under which of the following body hospital is registered? It is drop down. Okay. Then you have registration number, date, certificate, type of ownership, whether it is proprietorship or private limited or LLP, right? Doctor tells this. This most of the information, initial information is should be taken from the doctor. Okay. Then you have doctor owned or non-medical owned. Understand? So you can mention non-medical owned if the doctor is non-medical. Okay. यहाँ पे एक problem हो जाता है. We have one experience here. The hospital was owned by BAMS, Ayurvedic doctor. But he was not involved in any of the allopathic processes. And he has registered this hospital under his wife, who is also a Ayurvedic specialist. Finally, the certificate got rejected because of that hospital is not registered under qualified doctor.
So then we can put him as owner.
We can put him as non-medical.
Non-medical.
Though he is Ayurveda or homeopathy, NABH does not understand terms.
Okay.
Why? Because you are applying for allopathy hospital. The same hospital is Ayurveda hospital. Then it will do.
Okay.
But then they have to follow all the Ayurvedic procedures like Panchakarma and all other their procedures. SOPs वगैरह सब उनके जैसा हो जाएगा. And Ayush has different guideline. We can do Ayurveda hospital also. Okay.
Right.
Yeah. So Deepa, for you, this is a hint that and all, even Ayurveda Panchakarma centers.
Yes.
We can do NABH.
Sir.
Yeah. If you go down, then there are whether CGHS, railways, they have some insurance schemes or not. Yes, no, we have to tick. And this is what is your licenses. See, this is the list of licenses.
Okay.
Top Act, MOU with BMW collecting agency, consent. यही डॉक्टर को दिखाना है कि सर ये दिखाओ मुझे, दिखाओ. तो डॉक्टर बोलेगा ये है, ये नहीं है, ये एप्लीकेबल नहीं है. फॉर एग्जांपल डॉक्टर इज ऑर्थो, ही विल से आई डोंट डू एमटीपी. सो यहाँ पे लिखो आप नो, नॉट ओके,
नॉट एप्लीकेबल.
हाँ. देन अगर एक्सरे है तो उसका ARB लाइसेंस का कॉपी दिखाओ, है ना. अगर आप बराबर देखोगे तभी यस करो. डॉक्टर बोलेगा हाँ है मेरे घर पे पड़ा हुआ है, तो यस मत करो. You have to tell them that sir, I have to prepare this and I have to ensure that everything is in place. Okay, आप कहीं से भी लाओ, कल लाओ, परसों लाओ, फोटो भेजो, but you send me. Otherwise I see a physical copy, I will not mention yes here. Okay,
Okay sir.
so these are all license list. Here the issue happens about narcotic license. As you know, narcotic license is very difficult to gain.
Okay sir.
You must be aware about now because of so much things are happening now, है ना. Narcotic license,
Yes,
usually it is very difficult for the hospital to get, but anesthesiologist can be the accountable person for managing narcotic drugs, because he is only using that narcotics, diazepam, anesthetic agents, and all, right?
Sometime in ICU also they use, na sir?
Yeah, they use, but then I'll tell you how it should be managed. Narcotic license case में our procedure should be, we have a double lock cupboard or container. Double lock. One key is with the matron and one key is with the anesthesiologist.
And pharmacy?
No pharmacy. That's why there is a problem. Pharmacist cannot store it. And pharmacist has to store, then he should have a license. And nobody will give him a license. Then he will earn lot of money in crores.
Who?
Pharmacist.
Okay.
By selling it to
But
those who are
sir,
addicted.
So, but normally it is stored in the pharmacy only.
No.
In the hospital.
If
Hospital
it is
has a
in
pharmacy,
pharmacy, then he has to have a license. And he cannot get a license. Very difficult. There are so difficult norms. So we have a midway how to manage this. यहाँ पे तो हम नो ही करेंगे, लेकिन at the time of audit they ask, do you have a narcotic license? So that time we have to tell them that, sir, it is managed by the anesthesiologist in a double lock container where he will have this accountability. There is a register of narcotic usage, how much is each patient it is used, and who has used it. That anesthesiologist will sign it off. And it has a double lock. Okay. Because there was one case where anesthesiologist and gynecologist got an affair.
Okay.
Both were married.
Okay.
And that wife was anesthesiologist, doctor was gynecologist, was a gynecologist, male. So her anesthesiologist husband was a super specialist again. He got to know this, and one day he has come outside the operation theater where operation was going on, and he had sent the message inside. He has come and he want to meet this doctor, gynecologist. So he got very afraid.
Okay.
And male gynecologist.
Okay.
And then he has the narcotic was open, scoline.
Okay.
He has taken that and injected himself.
Oh God.
Now action of scoline is within 5 seconds you will get a huge paralysis attack and you will die with cardiac arrest.
Oh.
But fortunately, he was in the hospital itself. Immediately, things were being managed. So understood why double lock is important. Even anesthesiologist can do this. So in that case, alone anesthesiologist cannot open it. Alone nurse cannot open it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So these are the licenses. These are the record types. Deepa, read the first medical officer related record column headings.
Doctor's name, designation, qualification, council of registration, registration number, joining date, area working and department.
So we should have to prepare this list because this list has
Yes,
to be
sir.
uploaded
Okay.
in this format only. Then nurses, Shobhana, read the nurses columns.
Yes, nurse's name, designation, qualification, nursing council, registration number, joining date, and area working department.
Okay. And this is paramedical staff.
Paramedic.
Deepa, read it out.
Paramedical staff, staff name, designation, qualification, joining date, area of working, department.
Perfect. Last one, Shobhana, administrative staff.
Administrative and support staff, staff name, designation, qualification, joining date, area or working department.
Wonderful. So this list should be parallelly made. Okay. And day one we should not, but later on we'll get the idea that whether nurse to ratio, doctor to duty scheduling ratio. Critical factor is here, doctor all should be MBBS, even RMOs.
For this narcotic drugs.
No. Everywhere in the hospital, now you must be knowing most of the RMOs are homeopathy or Ayurveda.
Okay,
That is not acceptable. They can be, but then we will label them as associate RMO. And main RMO will be either, it can be MBBS, finding MBBS difficult. Only MBBS. Most of them do post-graduation. We can show postgraduate as MBBS. Means they are working as
RMO.
यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? डॉक्टर नेम 2 बार आएगा. नीचे आएगा डॉक्टर शोभना, एरिया वर्किंग डिपार्टमेंट आएगा गायनेकोलॉजी. फिर से डॉक्टर शोभना, एरिया ऑफ वर्किंग आएगा आरएमओ.
Got it.
Understood?
Yes.
So this is how this should be prepared.
Okay.
And then we should have that nurse patient ratio ka calculation. Niche, if you'll go,
okay.
Now some data is should be prepared. OPD, IPD data, number of OPD patients for last 12 months, number of admissions in last 12 months, number of IPDs in a month, past 3 months. So these are all IPDs, OPDs, average, bed occupied, bed occupancy, ICU. This data should be available, which is available because most of the hospitals have admission register and OPD register.
Okay.
Admission register and OPD register can very well be used for calculating this data. Or nowadays, most of the hospitals have software. So in the software, you can export the data and calculate these values.
Okay.
Now, this is the question which should be asked to the doctor authority, hospital authority. 10 most frequent clinical services where admissions take place. We don't know. Doctor will tell us.
Okay.
10 most frequent diagnosis for inpatients. Doctor will tell. Okay. 10 most frequent surgical procedures at your hospitals. Doctor will tell. Doctor's purview. Then scope of services, clinical service, OPD service, IPD, emergency, which services you provide. This is a drop down. You have to select. Okay. Yeah. Now this is physical infrastructure, built up area. See, most of the things if you see are directly related to the hospital authority. Understand? So day one, when you will do gap analysis, you should tell them, sir, every week at least I need your 15-20 minutes. We have to be ready for desktop audit and some information is required only from you. Only you can give us. Okay.
Okay.
Or what we can do is, doctor, do one thing. I'll keep one copy with you in your OPD. Whenever you have time, start filling up, sir. This is the only job. हंस के बात करना है, एकदम प्यार से बात करना है. डॉक्टर को काम बताए वो अच्छा नहीं लगता है. ओके. वो आप तो बोले आप सब कुछ करेंगे, फिर ये भी आप कर दो, ऐसा बताता है. है ना? सर ये तो आपको ही करना होगा बिकॉज ये सब बिल्टअप एरिया वगैरह, नहीं तो फिर गिव मी अ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव जिसको ये पता है, मैं उसके साथ कोऑर्डिनेट करती हूँ, है ना? तो ऐसा करके आप, बट उनको कुछ कुछ चीजें तो उनसे चाहिए, एंड ये सब भरने के बाद नीचे डॉक्टर का साइन आएगा, because you have to tell them that sir we are filling it up. Tomorrow if something different happens because data is wrong, then we don't want that blame. That's, please review this properly. Until otherwise you will sign it off, we will not register itself. शुरू नहीं करेंगे registration process. Fine?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is a very exhaustive list which I am going to upload. Okay, you can go through it later on. That's not a big deal. It's very easy. हाँ? Okay. देखो अभी ये read करो, एक मिनट अनस्ता, ये read करो दीपा.
So which one?
हाँ, I have highlighted
one?
it. I have highlighted it.
Upload a copy of any one patient case sheet having pre-anesthesia assessment format.
Understood? What you understood by this?
Acha, if any patient has undergone a surgery, so they should have pre-anesthesia assessment form. And if that form is filled or not, they want to see that. And everything is followed or not.
Yes, complete file we have to scan and upload, but we should ensure that it has pre-anesthesia assessment form. Okay? Yeah, Deepa, read last one.
Upload a copy of any one patient case sheet having pre-operative assessment and provisional diagnosis.
So ideally, what they are doing is they are just saying even pre-operative assessment should be available in first case also, isn't it? Understood their logic here, their intellectuality here?
No, sir.
See, first case was they are saying pre-anesthesia assessment format, but it's a surgical case.
Right.
Even surgical case should have pre-operative, last one, assessment and provisional diagnosis. So ultimately your system should be uniform. Now what will happen? You will miss, for example, pre-operative assessment from first case. Then you will get NC.
Sir, but if the patient is not pre-operative patient and patient is this medical patient, so no need to.
Pre-anesthesia, na? Pre-anesthesia means he has been operated.
Okay, okay.
Understood? What do you mean by pre-anesthesia? He is operated.
Okay,
and ideally, नीचे वाला जो है pre-operative assessment complete and provisional diagnosis should have pre-anesthesia, medical fitness, everything.
Okay, sir.
So this is a little tactical, you know, and those who will not understand, they will not ensure चारों file में देखो हाँ, these all files should be ideally uniform. Every file should have anesthesia monitoring format. Every file should have pre-anesthesia assessment format. Every file should have post-anesthesia status monitoring format. Every file should have operative assessment and provisional diagnosis. Got it?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
This is the logic. You should upload files whenever you will upload the files.
Okay, sir.
Shobana, read this out.
Upload filled
right.
ward discharge. Upload filled ward discharge summary, all pages of any one patient.
Understand? Any one patient. So you can upload here some op or
any
non-op patient, IPD patient, one file. Okay.
Right.
Yeah. Read this, Shobana.
Upload a copy of nursing monitoring charts.
Yeah.
So all the nursing monitoring charts should be.
You must be knowing that this PPR
yes.
and all.
Yes.
This is a typical chart available, right?
Yes.
So we have all the formats, as you know. Okay. So
Yes,
when
sir.
you will train them to fill up the extra forms and formats, automatically this will get updated in their every patient file. So we are working for 3 months, so we'll certainly get representative files. Now, before uploading or scanning these files, we have to thoroughly review these files, and then you select for scanning. Okay. And once you scan it, it has to be sent to us, central office.
Okay.
Central office will review these all files.
And then only upload.
And once we'll say go, then only you will upload. Okay.
Okay.
Have lesser desktop NCs.
Yes. Yes.
Our workload will get reduced. Now, otherwise, again, फिर से नए patient, फिर से ये सब problem बढ़ जाते हैं.
Exactly.
So this is what is your application readiness form, which should go parallelly. So you understood by this then, desktop readiness, application readiness. Reading last one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
here you have applied for desktop audit. Now post desktop upload, right? Here you have time now for other hospitals which are lagging behind.
Okay.
Because यहाँ की visits अब एकदम zero हो जाएंगी, almost zero next 1 to 2 months. और even desktop upload भी आ गया, ये NCs भी आ गई. You can do it online. You may not go there.
Right.
सर मुझे ये डेटा भेजो, मैं यहाँ से करती हूँ, don't worry. आप घर से evening you can afternoon you can tell them, by evening you will upload and put it on the group that all desktop NCs been uploaded. वही group पे ही वो भेजेंगे, ये ठीक है क्या, उसमें आप changes बताओ, ऐसा नहीं चाहिए, ऐसा करो.
Okay.
Got it? यहाँ पे आपकी विजिट्स एकदम कम हो जाती है. कब तक यहाँ तक आपने आपका सब काम कर दिया है, आपका डेस्कटॉप पोस्ट सॉरी आपका काम सब क्लियर हो गया है. अब विजिट्स विल स्टॉप. ऑनलाइन you can resolve NCs. You can, because why to spend that money which is ours, travel money. This job can easily be done online. Okay. Yeah. And by this time we know the doctor, we know all the nurses, know who is going to do this better, everything.
Right.
तो उसको ही फोन करके भैया ये भेजना, मुझे ऐसा क्यों कर रहे तू, है ना? So this is how it can happen. Then next step is wait, है ना, for 1 month. 1 महीने के लिए कुछ नहीं है. आप आपके दूसरे हॉस्पिटल जहाँ पे काम चल रहा है उसको प्रायोरिटी पे लेके उसको ये लेवल पे लेके आओ. Got it? यहाँ से आपको मिलेगा, फोन भी नहीं आएगा इनका, कुछ भी नहीं.
Right.
Okay, wait for 1 month के बाद you have visit, revision, readiness. Okay. रिवीजन रेडीनेस का मतलब है वो रेडी है क्या फाइनल ऑडिट के लिए अभी. You may have to go 2 to 3 continuous 4 days or continuous 2 days. Not 4 days, but continuous 2 days will be enough. Okay. And person you have to train. You have to ask questions. जो भी मिलेगा, right from security to doctor himself. Okay. कि सर आपको ये क्वेश्चन आएंगे, सर आपको ये क्वेश्चन आने वाले हैं. Fine. Now this also will be happening virtually for few of the hospitals, being you are new. Understand? आपको घुमा के मैं उसको पूछूंगा, वो मुझे दिखेगा, है ना? तो आई विल आस्क क्वेश्चंस, अंडरस्टैंड? एंड देन होगा ट्रेनिंग रिवीजन बेस्ड ऑन दिस वर्चुअल ऑडिट. हाँ, नाउ वी आर रेडी फॉर द ऑडिट. ओके, देन ऑडिट डे वी विल बी देयर. इसे हम कहते हैं, द वर्ड इज ऑडिट रैक. So, read what I have written.
Audit day, audit rack readiness.
हाँ, तो ऑडिट डे जब होगा तो देयर इज अ ऑडिट रैक विच वी हैव डेवलप्ड, है ना? ऑल रजिस्टर, फॉर्म्स, एग्जांपल फॉर्मेट्स, एग्जांपल फाइल्स, we get it from the hospital and make it ready for auditor to see at one place.
Right.
नहीं तो क्या होगा, ऑडिटर विल कम, ये मुझे एक सर्जरी की फाइल लेके आओ, फिर नर्स भागेगी, फिर ऊपर वो गिर जाएगी, फिर लिफ्ट शुरू नहीं होगी, फिर पेशेंट आएगा कैजुअलिटी में, तो एग्जांपल फाइल वही रहेगी, है ना? तो ऑडिट रेडीनेस शुड बी डन pre-audit date. 3 days. Okay. 2 to 3 days. Depend. You know how much prepared the hospital is. So you will be there in the hospital 3 days, and you will keep making audit track readiness. कुछ document बचे, continuous training का sign रह गए हैं. You can delegate the jobs to the concerned people and get it done. Okay.
And then so on the day of audit, actually we are not supposed to be there,
just
no?
before 2 to 3 days of audit. Just before. What happens if you go 8 days before audit? People again use this register
right
somewhere, and it will go off. You will not find the registers. So rather than pre-audit date 2 to 3 means I will say 1 to 2 only. एक दिन या 2 दिन पहले करो आप. सबको क्लियरली बोल दो, इसको हाथ नहीं लगाना है. कोई बोलेगा सर ये फाइल मुझे चाहिए, ठीक है, ये फाइल आप लेके जाओ, 2 महीने पहले फाइल लेके जाओ. Got it? So this is what it is, and then you have audit. Audit day. Audit day के बाद you have NCs, right? And then resolution.
So on the day of audit, we are not supposed to be there, right?
Ideally, but we are there, but waiting, patient waiting. किसी का कुछ problem है तो we will tell them.
Okay.
We are
if in
we are
case
consultant,
they need
consultant
our
in disguise.
Right.
Consultant in disguise.
Got it.
You are a waiting patient over there. You will wait like a patient. कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ गया, आपको फोन आएगा या कुछ आएगा, ये नहीं है, तो आप बोलोगे ये वहां पे देखो, है ना?
हाँ. Okay.
Prepare the audit track.
Yes.
फिर NCs आएंगे, then resolution होगा, right? And then we'll get certification, right? So this is all is the, कल से ज्यादा आज visualization आया होगा.
Yes, sir.
Deepa must have got confidence now. Hello, Deepa.
नहीं, mute है sir.
हाँ, mute है क्या? Okay, no problem.
Yeah. Hello, sir. Hello.
हाँ, Deepa, you must have got confidence now.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Because comparative to our starting of training and now, it is hardly 4th or 5th training. But I think you have got the confidence now that yes, it is easy. We can do this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and all the way we are always with you 24/7. So no worries. Anytime you can call us, or if call is not picked up, you can WhatsApp. We'll send that particular document, change, whatever. Okay.
Yes, sir. And sir, this indicators, we have not types of indicators in the hospital. How to calculate
indicators
that?
will be there. Yes. Indicator का special training होगा आपका, कैसे आप करो वो. हाँ.
अच्छा. Okay.
हाँ, वो डॉक्यूमेंट में आएगा सब. डॉक्यूमेंट सिस्टम एस्टेब्लिशमेंट में आ जाएगा इंडिकेटर मैनेजमेंट. right?
Acha, okay, sir.
So this is all for today. Thank you very much for today. We have three sessions we had, right?
Yes, yes.
Good. I hope it is helpful today, and tomorrow now let us coordinate. Tomorrow how I think we'll coordinate on personal. The time is gone now. Time out now. Okay. Bye bye for now.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Thank
Bye,
you, sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.